Okay, I decided I will just keep streaming, just for the heck of it. Maybe some streams are boring, some streams are amazing. It helps me code, and the bots will get a lot better. This has been years in the making, and eventually it turns out good. All the ideas come together. Let's skip the music for today. You can play your own music. Did you know that? If you have a computer, you can play your own music. It's really amazing. So, what do we have here? The giraffe bot that knows people's height. And I want to extend it into a bot that stores any information about a person. Whenever somebody says, I like to go fishing, the bot should store this. So let's make a little copy of the giraffe bot and work from there. We can also simplify things, I'm sure. For example, the pre-processing. This seems to be a general pre-processing thing. What we do here, drop punctuation and some other things. The simplifications don't work in all cases. If you have URLs or technical code in the user input, you might not use this here, because this is radical. It drops all dots and all commas and everything. My name, giraffe. How about we make another subclass? This is a general class for Discord hopping bots, which are bots that you can send a token to in a private message, and it will multiply itself and jump to that location. Become another bot. Have two personalities. So we could extend this and make it a general base class. Bot. Talk bot. Line is for dynamic. It means it's a dynamic module in my operating system. Let's make this one aware of AGI Blue. I don't know what's with my voice. What's with my voice? It's, I don't know. We can put some things in here. We could put the name in here. These bots will have a name. And they will use an AGI Blue slice. So we don't have to repeat this in every bot. What else can we use? This is a little clunky. We could simplify this here too. Reacting to a join. Yeah, that sounds okay. Oh. Need some breath mints or whatever helps. Lozenges. Discord guild join. Only if it's... These messages are global in the operating system. So we check if it's actually from ourselves. On user join. Put the user ID in there. Yeah, like this. That's good. Actually, this will work. It's overwritable. There we are. Already saving some code in the next bot. This we could also generalize. It works on every line. If a user inputs 3 lines at once, it's where. If you use like Shift Enter or something, then the bot processes each line individually. Process line. And the pre-processing. Process line. We have this map here that contains general things. There's another syntax like this. And you can use the opt parameter, opt-par something syntax. Let's use this one maybe. It can return something that will be what the bot answers. Process simplified line. Let's make another function out of this. Pre-process. Got it. Process simplified line. Has to return something, so we return null, indicating we have nothing to say. Anything else? I don't think so. So this will be our nice abstract base class. Let's add it to the general arsenal. Standard class, edit. So let's make a bot. New text. User self-info bot. I don't know. Self-info. Oh. Now it's a talk bot. Save it. That's the right type. User self-info bot. see if it compiles. Oh. Forgot to remove this line. Try again, friend. Try better this time. Missing return statement. It's correct. Oops. One error. I think I saved too late. Too late to apologize. Okay. So now we need to run the bot. User info. Self info. We should set some things though. My name is user self info bot. Is it a problem? Should set the name after it starts? I don't think so. Slice ID we don't need yet. Let's see if the bot is online. I'm not even sure. It uses some default token, I think. Somewhere from the file system. Yes, no, no, yes. And where's Giraffe? What happened to Giraffe? What? Where is Giraffe? What? What's your name? Monkey? Gazelle? Where is Giraffe? That's not good. What's your name? We should print something when we post something, if we don't do this yet. Message module reply. Reply function is here. Post in channel. Yeah, we should print something. Absolutely. Post in channel. Posting in channel. There. So we know if it tried to post, right? This should reload now in a second. It is reloading. Oh, we defeated ourselves here. Yeah. This is a bit too radical, I guess. The apostrophe is gone. Let's investigate a bit. So the first one is better, but it had one little problem. It kept ellipses. Ellipses? What's the plural of ellipses? I don't know. So let's use this one. Let's make version 3 out of it. Why not? And sign. What are the differences here? NetTalk 2. Java Talk. Let's see, whatever. Experimental. 3. Let's use this tokenizer. See how well that works. What's up? Not much. Sup. Try again. That looks decent. I think that's what we wanted in this case. Oh, it's about Grant Thompson. YouTube discussion thread. The king of random is dead. And my claim is he is doing what he does in the next world. You know? I don't believe in dead people being dead, meaning that they are gone or vaporized or non-existent. It's a transition. Death is a transition. You can read any smart book about higher things. They will tell you as much. Maybe that's true for every religion, actually. Christianity says that Jesus is still alive, so dead people are still alive. If you read Eckhart Tolle, he says the same stuff. Other religions? Probably too. Maybe physics is the only religion. Physics is a religion, by the way, where they deny other worlds. It's all physical. And that's all there is. Let's try the advanced version with question marks. Oh, they can all do it. Giraffe, monkey, gazelle, very nice. The new bot does not answer. It really needs a token. Is it loaded? It doesn't. Okay. Okay, the token is just empty. I mean, that makes sense, doesn't it? So we need to put the token in there. How about we just really reuse giraffe for now? That sounds good. We could copy these in the eval. Discord token. I have an eval line in Java. Nobody else has this. I turned Java into a scripting language. Almost all the advantages of a scripting languages and almost all the advantages of Java. You know? It's a bit of a compromise. You don't really lose. You don't lose anything from Java. Anything you can do in Java, you can do in JavaX. And many of the things you can do in scripting languages, you can do in JavaX too. And we really need this. For this kind of AI that I make, we need dynamic code evaluation. We need the AI to be able to make code and run it immediately. So we copy the token from one module to the other. Seems it has done it. And we can also reload the module right from here. Or can we? Did it do something? There's the little internal problem. Let's fix this real quick, because I want this to work. Module background. Current mandatory. Generic. It's a very technical little problem. But I believe I just fixed it. Yes. So Giraffe now has two mines. It's interesting in Discord, you can just have multiple programs running on the same username, same bot name. So the bot has multiple personalities at once. Kind of nice. Okay, it's reading the messages. But possibly we just don't have the what's your name function. Process. Process line. Our process simplified line is the one we need. What's your name, baby? Yeah, sometimes JavaX is not like a scripting language. And any decent scripting language functions return null if they don't return anything. In JavaX, it's still an error, as it is in Java. Okay, finally, user self-info bot. So first, let's filter lines that refer to things that are not eternal. Yeah. If you say, I like this thing or whatever, this is nice, then this is nice is not a general statement that can be stored forever. It doesn't make sense because it refers to something in the context. Back referencing words. Contains back referencing word. Make sure to use enough brackets. No brackets, no dice. Okay, contains word. Contains one of the words. Oh, this must compile now, come on. Come on, come on, come on. This is nice. Contains back referencing word. So many windows. User. We use the Discord user handle. And we transform to the third person. If you say I like fishing, it says likes fishing. To third person. Verb to third person. No. Objective space. That was yes. To objective space, I think. User space to objective. No. Objective. Switcheroo. Yeah, I'm using different names. Different names for similar things. I to name, that's the one. Takes the name and the input. Okay. User as objective. We only store things that where the user says I or something. I or me or my or so. Not general statements for now. No, I found. Okay, now we should have a statement that can be stored. Objective. Let's try this. I like fishing. Reloading, reloading, reload it. Null pointer, that's good. I'm pretty sure it is the user ID thing. Let's move to the test room. Oh, we have no parameters. I forgot to pass on the parameters. That is lame. That is very lame. Such a beginner mistake. But easily fixed. Simplified. Yeah, and the next step. Oh, I'm doing bad stuff. Yeah, that's kind of funny. I do. Yeah, okay. I print the structure of a Discord object. Yeah, of a really huge object coming from the library. I try to print the structure of the whole thing. It's some crap in there. It's just not going to work. Okay. Did I not? Yes, I did. I did recompile. Okay, I like fishing. Likes fishing. Good, and Gazelle likes fishing too. Okay, let's store this media blue post in slice. Oh my god. We should post and query at the same time. We should see if it's there and yeah. True if new. And we need a slice. We need a slice. Create slice. User self info but. There's our ID. Plug it in here. True if new. User fact and objective. Post and slice. What does it return actually? Let's find out. Let's make a dummy slice. Dummy test slice. So A, B, C. It returns saved. And if it's already there, entry exists. I'm sure at one point we will break the implementation and return something else. But let's do something horribly hacky right now. True if new. Exists. Some horrible hack here. Yeah. Bad return type. Boolean. 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 Charles Boole. Was it Charles? I think it was Charles. Return. No. True if new. False. It's not new. That's true. If I put in something else, it returns true. And next time it returns false. False. Okay. Yes, I know. User. And if it's not, now the other way around. Thanks, I will store this user. Okay, another bot made, maybe? What do you think? Did it work? I like how everybody's streaming these days. Magnus Carlsen is streaming now. The chess world champion is streaming. And his webcam fell down a lot. Like he had to fix his webcam, and I think maybe he lost the game because of that. It's so funny. Streaming makes everybody the same. You have a computer and a webcam and you do something. Basically, everybody has the same chance for success. I mean, marketing is still hard, but... Okay. I like swimming. I like swimming. Yeah, it stores other bots' information. That's cool. Yes, I know. Very nice. I like this game. This is not stored because it doesn't make sense yet. Because let's hide the stupid bots' answers. This would have to be pre-processed. I like this game. I like what game? If it's supposed to end up in the general database, it needs to be context-free. Use yourself infobot. Let's check the database. What do you mean waiting for AGI Blue? What? Why would you wait for the website? Is it loading something? Yep, like swimming. Very nice. So far, so good. Okay, enough streaming for today. Thanks for tuning in. If you check in again in like 500 days, we will have very interesting bots. This is going to be a lot less technical and very entertaining because all the bots are going to talk, and we do make actual AGI. It's what we do.